Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. I hope all are doing great. I am perfect. As you can see, I am standing at my bird farm right now. I have been raising birds for 7 years. You can call me a bird breeder. There is a time when I supported my family with income from these birds. Due to the low market price, I stopped breeding a year. But last week I started again. So let's take a look at the birds. Everyone, you are looking the cockatiel birds. How much beautiful cockatiel pair. I've had them 7 years and I sold many for their babies in the market. Look at this. How much beautiful. You can say mashallah. And everyone, this is my lucky pair. Look at this and say mashallah. I sold many babies over on lakh taka. They will lay eggs soon. And this is another pair. This is a Lutino cockatiel pair, and there will lay eggs on. Everyone, I have a 6 pair now, but I used to have 20. As you can see, many cages are empty. Please pray for me. I will work with big birds very soon. So everyone, do you like my birds? Let me now comment. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.